In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to learn about scientific notation for numbers that are less than 1. So just to recap, it can either be called scientific notation or standard form. We need to be familiar with both terms. So, it's a number in the form a multiplied by 10 to the power of n, where a is greater than or equal to 1, but less than 10. And n is an integer, so n is a positive or negative whole number. So, our first example, we have 4,500,000. This can be rewritten as 4.5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6. So, we notice 4.5 is a number between 1 and 10, and the power of 10 is an integer. The next example we're going to look at, this is a number less than 1. So we have 0.00045. This can be written as 4.5 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 4. So again, 4.5 is a number between 1 and 10, and the power of 10 is an integer, but this time it's minus 4. So we'll just note that when we're changing numbers greater than 1, the power of 10 is going to be positive. When we have numbers that are less than 1, the power of 10 is going to be negative. So let's practice. We have to rewrite 0.000023 in scientific notation. So we'll start off by just rewriting out our number. So really, there are two parts to these questions. We need to find the number for a, and we need to find the number for the power of 10. Okay, so first of all, we'll find our a. So the number between 1 and 10 is going to be 2.3. Then we count the number of spaces we've moved the decimal place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we put in our power now is going to be minus 5. So let's just understand why it's minus 5 and not plus 5. So if we take 2.3, in order to get back to 0.000023, what we're actually doing is we are dividing 2.3 by 100,000. So 2.3 divided by 100,000, so that's 10 to the power of 5, is going to give us 0.000023. So just to note, 10 to the power of minus 5 is equal to 1 over 10 to the power of 5. So this is important laws in indices that we will have previously learnt. So let's practice a few other examples just to become familiar with this. So we're always going to be given this same kind of format. So we have a by 10 to the power of n, where a is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10, and where n is an integer. So this time we have 0.000876. So this is going to be equal to, so first of all, my number between 1 and 10 is going to be 8.76. Now it's going to be multiplied by 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4 places, so it's going to be minus 4. So again, just to recap, that is because 8.76 divided by 10 to the power of 4 is going to give us our 0.000876. Let's practice another example. So now we have 0.036. This is going to be equal to 3.6 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 2. For more information, visit www.PositiveMaths.ie email info@PositiveMaths.ie, and find us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.